and I just rather put my money and my hard-earned coin into a Black-owned business. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That really helps YouTube's algorithm push my content out there. So if you like this video or if you've gone back and watched some of my videos and you like those, I really appreciate it if you guys subscribed and click that like button for me. I've gotten a couple questions in regards to what hair do I use and where I get my hair from. So I decided, why not share that with you guys? This hair is from Azul Hair Company. I normally purchase bundles and closures. I always get sew-ins, but this is my first time purchasing a wig from this company. I'm just so tired of sitting down, getting my hair put in, and sitting down and having to take it out. And when I take it out, it never fails, I always cut my hair, always. And when I was cutting out this part of my hair, y'all, and I was trying to cut out the thread and I cut my hair. So literally my hair on this side of my head is like this long. I'm just over it. I'm over it. So I got a wig. I tried to record this video multiple times, but here in Florida, the weather is so shitty. Every time I try to record in here, or in my room, it was so dark, and I wanted you guys to see the hair in the best light possible so you could see it as realistically as it looks. It's not raining, so I'm happy. So I'm sitting here and I'm going to record for you guys what I think about this hair and what I look for in a good hair company. In a good hair company, I look for 5 things. I look for, first and foremost, price. So I purchased the Brazilian Hair HD film lace front wig. I purchased a 22-inch, and the 22-inch was $285.14. For a lace front wig, I think that that's budget friendly. Price point wise, I would give this hair a 5. You're getting raw Brazilian hair, you're getting unprocessed hair, and you're getting hair that's going to last you a while. Again, this is only my first month review. Maybe in 6 months, I'll be able to see for real if it's worth the price or not. But as of right now, $285.14 to me, I think I spent, you know, what the hair is worth. Sorry, I keep looking at my viewfinder. The next thing that I look for in good hair is, does it color well? Okay, so I'm really big on color. This hair came in its natural state, dark brown color, and I lightened it to the shade that I lightened it here. It took the color very well. Normally when I color hair, I color it in 3 phases. So I color it over time in like a 3-day period, just so that I don't burn out the hair.
Oh my God!
So let me tell you all a little story. So I got the hair. I had a hair appointment the next day I got the hair, and the day after that I had to go to New York. So I literally had one day. I had one day to color this hair. And that's the first time I colored hair in one day. And it absolutely terrified me because I thought I would lighten it too much and the hair would start to break. I wasn't sure. Again, this is my first time purchasing a wig from this company. So I wasn't sure if this hair was going to be able to take me coloring it as light as I did. But this is how it came out, and I'm very pleased at how well it took the color. Out of 5 stars, I will give the way it took color a 5. The next thing that I look for is how much shedding does the hair have. So this hair, when I first received it, did not shed at all. I think maybe the coloring process made it shed a little bit more than it normally would. I did not receive any shedding when I was going through the when I was processing the hair. So as I was coloring the hair, I colored the hair twice in one day, okay? So as I was coloring the hair, there was absolutely no shedding. When I colored it the first time, there was no shedding. When I colored it the second time, there was no shedding. When I toned the hair, washed it, no shedding. So there was no shedding up until the point that I had the hair air dry and I put it in my head. As I was combing it, I did notice shedding, but it was like minimal, super minimal shedding. I think it's normal shedding as any other hair. I'm actually running my hands through it right now on purpose so that I could see what I capture in regards to shedding. So you see, I just ran my hands through my hair a couple times and literally just one strand of hair. So super minimal shedding, like barely any shedding at all with this hair. Again, I think it only sheds as much as it doesn't. See, look, no shedding, no shedding. So when I say shedding, I'm like literally like minimal, super minimal shedding. And I feel like if I didn't color the hair, it probably wouldn't, honestly, it probably wouldn't shed at all. I did all that and only 2 pieces of hair came out. In regards to how if the hair sheds or not, I will give this a 5. Initially, I will give this a 5 as well. Over time, when I have the hair over time, is when I could give you my 100% honest opinion of the hair, which I think I'm going to do when I've had it for 3 to 4 months. Again, I've only had it for a month and it's holding up really well, and I honestly think over time this hair is going to continue to hold up in the way that it does. If the hair tangles, it's trash. It's trash, it's trash, it's trash. I live in humid, hot ass Florida, okay?
I don't know about no other state in America. I don't care about no other state in America. I'm talking about Florida. We deal with hurricane. Listen, I can't go outside in the daytime because it's 118. It's Easer Baker oven hot outside. Every time I walk outside, I get crispier and I get harder. This heat is unfair.
As soon as you step outside, your neck starts to sweat. Like the back of your neck starts to sweat. It's disgusting. I hate going outside. I hate it. And this hair has held up to that. It does not tangle at all in the least. Like it doesn't, like, you know how there's some hair that like tangles, like naps up in the back of your neck? This hair don't do that, sis. This hair don't do that. No need to comb it over and over. There's no need for anything. I leave the house like this. I come back like this. So in regards to tangling, I give this hair a 5 as well. And lastly, number 5 is how long does the hair last for the price that I paid. So that I would not be able to give you 100% honest answer on. What I can do is come back in 6 months, or I can come back in 3 to 4 months and give you my honest opinion on how long this hair lasts. I've had it for a month so far and it is holding up amazingly. Like I said, this hair barely sheds. Barely. When I say barely. As you saw, two pieces of hair came out of my head. This hair does not tangle. It takes color super well. And it's a decent price point. And for this price point, having all of those things, like, this was a steal. Leave me a comment down below and let me know when I should give you an update on this hair. I honestly do think that this hair is going to hold up for a year and maybe more, and that is all depending on how I take care of it. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you know exactly when I have a new video out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.